Hey, it's Nick from T7 Training, and I'd like to invite you to our VLOOKUP Intensive online training session. Now, this session is 45 minutes long, and it's going to take you through what the individual bits of a VLOOKUP do, how to use that VLOOKUP in Excel, and also how to use it in common situations that appear in the corporate world. It's a live training session. That means I'm right there working with you, so you can ask questions as we go. To enrol, have a look at the details down below, and I look forward to working with you real soon.